BCG matrix definition. BCG stands for Bernstein Counseling Group and also called as an Wilshire matrix. BCG matrix developed by an Bernstein Counseling Group, a world renowned company management counseling firm located in the USA. It is a helpful tool for analyzing a devastated company's business portfolio. In the BCG matrix, SBU is a unit of a company part that has been separated the missions and then objectives that can be planned and independently from the other company business. Devastated companies having the several SBUs, strategic business unit, use the BCG matrix. These SBUs forms the business portfolio of the company, and company use the BCG matrix as a portfolio in a planning tool. The matrix has four types, dividing the business organization into several SBUs, determining the prospects of each SBU, the organizations, comparing the SBU against the SBUs with the help of matrix two-dimensional, setting and strategy objectives for the each SBU, which is the strategic called. In the BCG matrix, SBU strategic business unit is the company that has a separate missions and an objectives, and they can be planned independently from the other company business. For example, a company divisions their product line with divisions or sometimes single product or a brand. Strategic business unit is a relatively autonomous unit of a firm. It is a diversity company. Each business unit is an SBU. The divisions of the company may also treated as an SBUs. According to Ferguson, and strategic business units must certain characteristics. A unique business matches a identifiable set of competitors. The SBU strategic manager can make or implement a strategic decisions relatively independent of other SBUs. Crucial operating decisions can be made with the SBU. An SBU is responsible for its products, service and markets, and therefore it is also responsible for developing its strategies. Generally, an SBU or a department independent in the business operations has its managerial resources and has its assets under its control. For example, P&G has 21 business units for the productions of textiles, products, ceramics, and etc. Each of these units treated as an SBU. They, however, work under the Tesla corporate management. In a diversity company, all the business unit constitutes its business portfolio. Each business unit or an SBU is treated as a standalone profit center. A business portfolio approach is commonly followed in a diversified company for a corporate strategic analysis. A corporate strategy for each SBU is set in such a way it becomes consistent with the resources of a capability the overall company. Each unit is assessed as a separate eternity and then portfolio approaches is followed. As marked by the Hill and Jones, the portfolio approaches is a visually way of identifying and evaluating the alternative strategies for the generations and allocations of the corporate resources. One of the most widely used portfolio approaches is the Boston Consulting Group BCG matrix. BCG matrix in practice. To use this matrix, the SBUs of the company are plotted in the two-dimensional part. One dimension of the chart and represents the future market growth. The another dimension part, the horizontal dimensions of an X-ray, represents an SBU's relative market share. The growth rate is measured considering the economy of the country. The growth rate of an SBU's industry may be faster or slower than the economic's growth rate. When prostituted by an SPG matrix, a favorable competitive environment exists in an industry when the growth rate is faster in the industry. One on the other hand, the relative market share in the ratio of an SBU's market share to the market, the share held by the largest rival company in this industry. Dividing the growth share matrix is indicated as four types of SBUs of a BCG matrix, that are stars, cash cow, question marks, and dots. Stars, high growth and then high share business. Stars are a high growth and then high share business or products. They often need heavy investment to invest their rapid growth. Eventually, their growth will be slowed down and they will turn into cash cows. An SBU, a high authority market and a high relative market share, is considered as a star business unit. It is a profitable business. It has an attractive long-term profit and an opportunities. Stars are in the high growth rate and therefore highly competitive markets. They have the potential to be the cash cows if only they can consolidate their competitive positions. They generate as well as the consumer revenue. Their net contributions to the kitty of the organization is not very substantial. Cash cow, low growth and high share business. From the matrix, it is clear that these business operated in this industry which are in the maturity stage and very heavy competitive positions in their respective industry. They generate further more cash and they consume their surplus can be used to nurture those businesses that are in the star quadrant or the question mark quadrant. Cash cow are the low growth, high share business or a products. These established and successful strategic units needed less investment to hold this market share. Thus, they produce a lot of cash. The company and uses the pay its bills and support the other strategic business units that needed investment. A strategic business unit is considered a question mark when it has a high market growth and low market share. It is relatively weak in competitive terms. A question mark business unit is risky due to an inherent uncertainty in a high growth and a market and a weak market share positions. However, such a unit is considered to have a future. It may be offer opportunities for the long-term profit if more cash is poured down into their SBU and properly matured, it became a star static business unit. Question marks. Low share business units in the high growth markets. Question marks are low share business units in the high growth markets. They require a lot of cash to hold their share, let alone increases it. Managers has to think the hard about which the question marks it should try to build Indian stars and which should be pleased out. An SBU is considered as a cash cow when it has a low market growth and a high market share. It is a highly profitable firm and generates a sustainable amount of the cash. Since the strategic business unit has a lot of opportunity for the future expansions, more cash should not be injected. Question marks lies in the high business growth and rate the segment with a weak competitive positions. This means that the organization has to develop some competence to make the best use of the high growth rates. To sustain these business sources, the organization has to commit to develop them in selecting areas. Dogs, low growth share. Low share business dogs are the low growth and low share businesses and products. They may generate enough through the cash to maintain themselves but do not promise to be large source of cash. An SBU with the low market growth and the low share market is treated like a dog. It is a weak competitive positions in the low growth industry. It cannot generate cash and also in the dim prospect. The corporate head office has to decide about this future. It may be devastated or liquefied or turned around if there are significant reasons for the survival. Dogs are in the low attractiveness, low competitiveness and low relative market share quadrant. They are not generating revenue nor does not it make sense to develop them as their competitive positions would remain weak. It is the best diverse these business. Recommend several things based on the grid. The stars should be returned with the surplus cash flows from the each cash flows. The long-term objective should be consolidated the star SBU's position. The question mark should be provided and supported from the surplus of the cash flows. However, if the question makes the SBU's long-term prospects is uncertain, it should be divested to make and diversify company's business portfolio more attractive. The corporate head office should have an objective of turning the favorited question mark SBUs into stars. The company should seriously think about getting rid of the dog SBUs. The corporate management should consider making the company and organizations of the balanced portfolio with enough number of stars, question marks and then cash cows. Statistic considerations of an BCG matrix. The portfolio matrix gives the company an idea about the health of its business. If there are too many dogs or question marks, the too few cash cows and stars and the company's portfolio can be called as an imbalanced one. After getting the portfolio's pictures, the company should then decide each SBU's objectives, strategies and budget. With regards to this, it can pursue one of the following strategies. Buildings. The building strategy is designed to improve the market positions in the spite of a possible short-run damage to profitability. Business strategies are the most applicable when a firm wants to move the question marks into a star category. A building approach can also be used to convert small stars into bigger stars. To ensure the success, both of these building strategies require significant communities of the company resources. Holding. A holding strategy, on the other hand, is a defensive strategy designed to preserve market positions. Holding is the most commonly used to keep the cash cows productive. Cash cows are often vulnerable to the new competitors, and marketing programs need to promote the new versions and applicable to maintain the customer interest. Harvesting. Harvesting strategies are aimed at marketing as much money of a product as possible. The idea is to cut promotions and the production cost to the burn and the main of product profits. This approach is focused on extracting cash from an project at the expenses of the business a long run survival. Harvesting is a ruthless strategy that is best situated to weaving a cash cow stocks and some question marks. Divestment. A strategy of a divestment attempts to sell or an liquidable business to generate the cash so it can be better used in the other areas. Divestments is the employees on the question marks and dogs that can be food cannot be financed into better growth positions. Candidates for an divestments include the business that have a little room for the cost savings and those that break even to operate at a loss cause. Sometimes divestments can work to the advantage of the both seller and buyer.